Installation and operation of CVD vapor deposition system. Connect vacuum pump. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Connect air compressor power. Connect the water cooler power supply and vacuum pump power supply. This is the air inlet of the 6-way flow meter. The air inlet pressure should be less than 0.1 MPa. This is the vent. No need to answer this, depending on the gas you are using. Just connect accordingly. Turn on the water cooler power. Open air compressor valve. Turn on the vacuum pump power. Turn on the main power of the device. Turn on the power. Turn on RF power. Turn on the molecular pump power. Enter the operation interface. Sample stage lifting. Click Reset first. Then set the required distance. For example, 10 毫米. Sample stage writing process. Sample stage rotation. Click this. Set speed. For example, 20 turns. Click to rotate forward. Rotation process. Stop spinning. Close the cavity. Tighten the screws. Click to get vacuum. Sure. When the vacuum value reaches above 20%, you can turn on the molecular pump. It is now above 20%. Turn on the molecular pump. Drop to 0 first, then slowly increase from 0, rise to 400. For example, vacuum to about 0.007. Can pass other gases. Click this button. Set heating rate. For example, the heating rate is 10. Target temperature setting 200. Click to start heating. Return to home page. For example, if you want to pass argon gas now, click argon flow meter. For example, enter 50. The vacuum value reaches the appropriate value. RF power can be turned on. Shut down the molecular pump before shutting down. Wait until the frequency drops to 0. Turn off the power. The flow meter can then be set to 0. It can be closed. Then take and place the sample. After the frequency of this molecular pump drops to 0, only then can you take and place samples.